everyone, welcome back to Empty Chai channel. In this video, I want to show you how to make the summary table of hypothesis testing, so let's take a look at it. First of all, construct a table, then label the row and columns with headers where column 1 label has the hypothesis statement. List all your hypothesis statements here. And column 2, beta coefficient. What is a beta coefficient? Beta coefficient is known as standardized regression coefficients. Beta coefficient refers to the degree of change in the dependent variable for every one unit change in the independent variable. The beta coefficients can be positive or negative. Column 3, sig. What is it? Sig means significance level where the p-value labeled as sig in the SPSS output. Column 4 is the result where you will state whether the hypothesis statement is accepted or rejected. For that, look at column 3, sig, which is known as p-value. I used a two-tailed test to interpret the results. Therefore, I compare each p-value with an alpha value of 0.05, which means when the p-value is less than 0.05, it shows that there is a significant relationship between the independent variable and the dependent variable. So, the hypothesis statement is accepted. But when the p-value is more than 0.05, it shows there is an insignificant relationship between the independent variable and the dependent variable. Thus, the hypothesis statement rejected. That's all, we did it! I've shown 2 more examples of this topic to make sure you have more options for making your hypothesis testing table. And for more thesis-related content just like this, check out my videos over here. I believe it will be useful to you when you watch it. Also, subscribe to my channel to watch all my upcoming videos. And remember to visit my Instagram page to know more about the research hypothesis. Thank you so much for watching this video and good luck in your studies.